She's not deliberately spraying you with poop. She's willingly sealed herself inside a tree hollow and literally can't get out. To understand how this all happened, we need to rewind to yesterday. Deep in the tropical rainforests of Borneo lives a remarkable species called the helmeted hornbill. These birds mate for life, staying faithful through thick and thin, earning them the nickname lovebirds. But before becoming a bonded pair, they must first perform an elaborate courtship ritual near a bat cave. Perched high in the canopy, the male hornbill effortlessly snatches a bat right out of the air. But instead of devouring it himself, he presents it as a gift to the female. This is his way of proving he's got what it takes. The female is clearly impressed by his hunting prowess, his beak game, if you will, because it proves he can provide for her. And just like that, the two hornbills become an official couple. After the ceremony, the newlyweds head back into the forest to find their dream home. A tree hollow that's just the right size, perfect. After a thorough inspection, if they're both satisfied, the female moves right in. Once she's settled, the couple gets to work renovating. The female painfully plucks out her own feathers and spreads them across the bottom of the hollow for warmth. After all, she won't need them for flying since she's not going anywhere for a while. She does her best to make the cramped quarters comfortable, but the tiny tree hollow is seriously lacking in amenities. There's not even a toilet, which is exactly why she has no choice but to aim her rear end at you. Meanwhile, the male gets busy gathering mud in his beak and bringing it to his mate. Together, they gradually seal up the entrance, leaving just a narrow slit, barely wide enough for her beak to poke through. This setup serves a dual purpose. It keeps predators like monkeys and snakes out, while still letting her breathe and eat. From this moment on, the female never leaves. She stays locked inside to lay her eggs and raise the next generation. The male becomes her protector, standing guard at night. And by day, he's essentially a full-time food delivery guy, making constant trips to feed his wife. But taking care of a pregnant partner is no walk in the park. He's making countless round trips every single day, and his wife, stuck inside that stuffy hollow for weeks, sometimes gets pretty picky about what she'll eat. So back out he goes to hunt down something better. To keep her healthy and strong, he even brings her meat every now and then for that extra protein boost. Under his tireless care, the female soon lays 2 eggs. Eventually, she'll break through the sealed entrance, and the pair will tackle the challenge of raising their chicks together. Now you might be wondering, what happens if the male gets picked off by a predator during all this? Here's the heartbreaking truth. Even without being sealed in a tree, when one hornbill dies, the other follows. They refuse to live alone, and that's probably why these birds are so rare. It's also the kind of love we humans can only dream of.